Reaching the next type of errors, girls, we reach errors which affect the trial balance, or also called one-sided errors. Why are they called one-sided errors? Because children, here the entry has been made, the account, one side of the entry has been posted to the account and the other side has been omitted or ignored, or mistake has been made in the amount of only one account. Suppose now here, if you see children, suppose I say I sold goods to Mukesh, sold goods to Mukesh for cash. So what is the entry? Cash to sales for rupees 100. This is the correct entry. I sold goods to Mukesh for cash. The correct entry is cash to sales for rupees 100. From here now, I have to take it to the cash account, debit side, and sales account, credit side. This is the procedure of this entry. Now what has been committed, what has been done? The entry has been passed correctly. From here, the amount has been correctly posted to the debit side of cash account. We have written here to sales of the debit side of cash account, but instead of writing here on the credit side of the sales account, I write it by mistake here also on this side. I write to cash instead of by cash. I write here to cash, or I write to cash, by cash here with rupees 1000. In one account, the amount has been entered with rupees 100. In the other account, the amount of the same transaction has been entered with rupees 1000. That means error has happened. The entry has been mistakenly done. The error is committed. But then it will not allow the trial balance to tally. If I make the trial balance here, the debit side and the credit side, from the debit side of trial balance, I will take the amount from here. I will write to sales and I will write the amount here. On the credit side, I write by cash and write 1000 here. So the debit side will be short of credit side than rupees 1000. The error has happened. But now the error is happening which is not allowing the trial balance to meet. This type of error is called the one-sided error. Now this error has to be removed. I have to pass a rectifying entry for this. Now this error also is removed. There are two stages for understanding that. That means when the first stage to understand that is when this type of error is located before the trial balance is made, before closing the trial balance, before preparing the trial balance or before closing of accounts, the error is removed. Or it can be located when the trial balance has been made, that is after the trial balance has been prepared. The two types of stages will have to be met with two different types of treatments. Let us take the first example now. Suppose this error is detected. The error of undercasting one side is located, but it is located much before the accounts have been closed, or you can say before the preparation of the trial balance. How can we remove this? We do not have to do much. We just have to see which side is the error happening, and we will just append a line here. Supposing the error is on the, see here, I told you the error is on the debit side. Debit side is short of the credit side by 900. My aim is just to match the two sides. So what will I do? Two undercasting of the trial balance. That means the trial balance is shortened by rupees 900. If we add 900 this side, the trial balance will be 1000 on both the sides. So when the error happens when the amount is short on the debit side, we use the word to. When the amount is short on the credit side, we use the word by. That is for undercasting. To, the amount is short this side, to undercasting, by undercasting. when the amount is more over added on a side, I will use the same words but on the reverse side. Suppose the amount is, see here, trial balance. Suppose this side was supposed to be 100 and this side I write here 1000. The amount of this side is more. It should have been written on this side. I have one transaction where this side is over added. What do? I write the amount here on this side. When I write the difference on this side, I write 900 this side. This side means 2. That means I have to write the difference but on the reverse side, whichever side is short. Or removing, whenever I have to minus some amount from here, I always post on the reverse side. When I have to add some amount here, I post it on the correct side. 900 has to be added on the same side, debit side. 900 has to be taken out, it will be on the credit side. I write that amount on the credit side and the error is removed. Okay, now let us see this example here, this illustration here. Rectify the following errors which are detected before preparing the trial balance. Purchase book has been undercast. Purchase book means debit balance. Debit balance is less by 10,000. If debit is less means we have to put 10,000 on the debit side. Debit side means we will write the word 2. So we will write 2 undercasting of the purchase book and the error will be removed. The error will be removed. Next, the purchase book purchase from X rupees 15,000 has been omitted to be posted to his account. Posted to his account. The amount has not been credited his account. If purchase will be debited, his account will be credited. So amount has not been done in his account. That means on the credit side. So we write that by omission in posting on the credit side. So omission in posting by means that it is on the credit side. Next, purchase from Y rupees 20,000 has been wrongly posted to his account as rupees 30,000. Purchase from Y. Y's account has to be credited. Y's account has been credited with 10,000 more. That means it has to be reduced. When it has to be reduced, it will come on the debit side. So we will write 2 excess amount on the credit side, rupees 10,000, and the error is removed. Next, purchase from Z, rupees 40,000 has been posted to the wrong side of his account. If purchase from Z, that means the amount is on the wrong side. We will purchase from Z means Z will be, we will purchases to Z, Z will be credited. So we will just write it on the correct side with the error in posting, and side is wrong means the amount will be doubled. See, one side it is not posted, 40 is not posted and 40 has to be posted. So the amount always is doubled. Whenever it is on the wrong side, you write the treatment will be correct side, double the amount. So it will be by error in posting, but the amount will be double the amount of the transaction, that is rupees 80,000. Clear? This also is done. This was the step of posting of errors or removal of errors after the trial balance is made. Now, before the trial balance, that was before. Now we come to the next type of errors, when the errors are located and rectified after the closing of the accounts, that is after preparing the trial balance and after opening of suspense account. What is suspense account? Suspense account means the account, this is a temporary account, children, a temporary account that is opened, that is created for just for the purpose of tallying the two sides of the trial balance. You can follow your book. When in spite of the best efforts, the trial balance total does not tally, the difference is put to a newly opened account named suspense account, and the trial balance is thus made to tally. This is done to avoid the delay in the preparation of the final accounts. So we just, for the time being, I told you it's a temporary account. Now we have tried everything. All the measures, those 10 steps have been followed. The totals have been checked. The total has been halved. The total has been doubled. All the measures have been taken. But still the error has not been located. Unless the error is located, we will not be able to rectify the same. So what do? At that stage, we prepare this imaginary account for temporary period till the error is located. See children, when the error is happened, it will be located also. But it is because of the shortage of time. The transactions of 12 months, thousands and thousands of transactions every month, and the transactions of the whole year, 12 months, have to be traced and the error has to be located. It is not a small work. If the difference is found at the tail end of the year, it is not easy to locate the error. In spite of, there are certain steps, those 10 steps we have learnt. Accountant takes the measure, follows those 10 steps, but in case the error has not yet been located, then what the accountant will do? Accountant for the time being will post it to this account called suspense account, which is a temporary account, and the entire amount of difference is posted to this account. Then now the accounts are furnished. The trial balance is made, it is tallied with the suspense account, the financial statements are prepared, chartered accountant audits them, everything is done. Now after that, the accountant will see the suspense account and start locating the errors. From the first step onwards, the making of the transaction, from the first making of the entry, first step onwards, everything will be reviewed and the errors will definitely be located. As and when the errors are located, they will keep getting deducted from the suspense account, and eventually the suspense account comes to a close. When the suspense account comes to a close, it is nil. That assumes that a trial balance is free from all types of errors. Okay, these type of errors, because they affect either the debit or the credit, that is why we have posted it to suspense account. These type of errors are called the one-sided errors or single-sided errors. Now we will do some questions to locate and rectify single-sided errors.